So, let's talk about AI, artificial intelligence. When you hear that term, you might picture futuristic robots from movies or super smart computers that can outthink any human. And while that stuff makes for a great sci-fi flick, the reality of AI is actually a lot closer to home. In fact, it's probably in your pocket right now. AI isn't some far-off concept anymore. It's a technology that has quietly woven itself into the fabric of our daily routines. It's the invisible engine running in the background of so many of the apps and devices we use every single day, often without us even realizing it's there, working to make things just a little bit smoother and a little more intuitive. Think about it. AI is the reason your smartphone's camera can automatically detect a face and focus on it perfectly, or why it can suggest a brighter exposure in a dimly lit room. It's the magic behind your email app sorting messages into important social or promotional categories, saving you from a cluttered inbox. This isn't about conscious thinking machines. It's about smart algorithms designed to perform specific tasks really, really well. These systems learn from vast amounts of data to recognize patterns, make predictions, and automate processes that would normally require human effort. It's less about a robot uprising and more about practical, helpful software. This subtle integration is what makes modern AI so powerful. It's not shouting for your attention. Instead, it operates quietly, enhancing the tools you already use. When you ask your phone for directions, AI calculates the fastest route by analyzing real-time traffic data from thousands of other users. When you type a message, AI is what predicts the next word you're likely to use, speeding up your communication. Each of these small interactions is a touchpoint with an AI system. They are designed to be so seamless and so integrated into the user experience that we often take them for granted, simply accepting them as a standard feature of modern tech. So, the big takeaway here is that AI isn't just coming, it's already arrived. It has moved out of the research labs and into our living rooms, our cars, and our hands. The conversation has shifted from what if to what's next. Understanding that AI is a present-day tool is the first step to appreciating how it's changing our world, one small, smart task at a time. It's not about being replaced by machines, it's about being augmented by them. The goal is to make our interactions with technology more efficient, more personal, and ultimately, more human. And that's a pretty exciting starting point for what's to come. Let's zoom in on how AI shows up in the physical world around you, starting right in your home. Smart speakers like Amazon's Alexa or Google Assistant are prime examples. These devices are essentially AI-powered hubs waiting for your command. When you say, "Hey, play my morning playlist," the AI doesn't just hear words, it processes your request, understands the intent, connects to a music streaming service, and plays the exact songs you like. It learns your habits over time, so its suggestions get better and more personalized. This is AI acting as your personal DJ, your scheduler, and your source for quick information, all through a simple voice command. The intelligence extends beyond just speakers. Many modern home appliances are now getting smarter thanks to AI. Think about smart thermostats that learn your schedule and adjust the temperature automatically to save energy when you're not home. Or consider a smart refrigerator that can track your groceries and suggest recipes based on what you have inside. These aren't just connected devices, they are learning systems. They use sensors and data to make intelligent decisions on their own, aiming to make your home life more efficient, comfortable, and cost-effective without you having to micromanage every little setting. It's about convenience powered by code. Now take that AI with you when you leave the house. Your smartphone is the ultimate portable AI device. The camera is a great example. When you point your phone to take a picture, the AI is working overtime. It identifies the scene. Is it a landscape, a portrait, a low-light shot? It then adjusts dozens of settings like ISO, shutter speed, and color balance in a fraction of a second to produce the best possible image. This computational photography is why smartphone pictures look so incredibly good these days. It's not just the lens. It's the powerful AI brain behind it doing the heavy lifting for you. And it doesn't stop there. AI is crucial for navigation apps like Google Maps or Waze. These apps don't just show you a static map. They are constantly analyzing live traffic data, accident reports, and road closures to give you the fastest, most efficient route in real time. The AI is predicting traffic flow based on patterns learned from millions of trips. So when your navigation app tells you to take a side street you've never heard of to avoid a sudden traffic jam, you're experiencing the direct benefit of a predictive AI model working to save you time and frustration. It's your personal co-pilot for navigating the world. When you go online, you are stepping directly into a world curated by artificial intelligence. Social media platforms are a perfect showcase of this. Your feed on Instagram, TikTok, or X is not a random collection of posts. It's meticulously crafted by an AI algorithm whose main job is to figure out what you want to see. It analyzes everything: the accounts you follow, the posts you like, the videos you watch all the way through, and even the ones you scroll past quickly. Based on this data, it builds a profile of your interests and then serves you content it predicts you will find engaging. This is personalization on a massive scale. This same principle applies to your shopping and entertainment experiences. Ever wonder how Netflix just seems to know which movie you'll be in the mood for? That's an AI-powered recommendation engine at work. It looks at your viewing history, what you've rated highly, and what other people with similar tastes have enjoyed. It then presents you with tailored suggestions designed to keep you watching. Similarly, when you shop on a site like Amazon, the customers who bought this also bought section is pure AI, analyzing purchasing patterns to help you discover new products you might like, making the shopping experience feel more personal and intuitive. But the benefits of this curated digital life come with important considerations, especially around privacy. For these AI systems to work so effectively, they need data, your data. They need to know what you like, where you go, and what you search for. This has sparked a huge conversation about how much information we're comfortable sharing. Tech companies have a massive responsibility to be transparent about what data they collect and how they use it to power these algorithms. As users, it's becoming more important to understand and manage our privacy settings, making conscious choices about the digital footprint we leave behind. Despite these concerns, the positive impact of this personalization is undeniable. AI helps us cut through the noise of the internet. Instead of being overwhelmed by infinite choices, we get a filtered, more relevant experience. It helps smaller creators on YouTube find an audience that will appreciate their content. It allows you to discover a new favorite band on Spotify that you might never have found otherwise. The key is finding the right balance. We want the convenience and discovery that AI offers, but we also need to maintain control over our personal information. It's a trade-off we are all navigating in real time. Looking ahead, the role of AI in our lives is only going to expand, and the potential for positive change is immense. Think about the possibilities in fields like healthcare. AI could help doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately by analyzing medical images like X-rays or MRIs. It could personalize treatment plans based on a patient's unique genetic makeup and lifestyle. This isn't about replacing doctors, but about giving them powerful new tools to help them save lives and improve patient outcomes. The future of medicine will likely involve a close collaboration between human expertise and artificial intelligence. In education, AI could create truly personalized learning experiences for every student. Imagine a system that can identify a student's individual strengths and weaknesses, and then adapt the curriculum in real time to help them learn at their own pace. It could provide instant feedback on assignments, or act as a 24/7 tutor for complex subjects. This could make education more accessible and effective for everyone, regardless of their learning style. AI has the potential to unlock human potential by tailoring the flow of information to fit the individual, not the other way around. It's a powerful vision for a smarter, more equitable learning environment. Of course, as we build this AI-powered future, we have to be thoughtful and deliberate. The conversations we are having now about ethics, bias, and privacy are incredibly important. We need to ensure that the AI systems we build are fair, and that the data used to train them is representative of everyone. We need to design systems that are transparent, so we can understand how they arrive at their decisions. Building trust is essential. The goal is to develop AI that serves humanity as a whole, augmenting our abilities and helping us solve some of the world's biggest challenges. Ultimately, the future of AI is not something to be feared, but something to be shaped. The technology itself is just a tool. What matters is how we choose to use it. When developed and deployed responsibly, AI has the power to make our daily lives easier, our work more productive, and our world a better place. It can free us from tedious tasks, allowing us to focus more on creativity, critical thinking, and human connection. The journey is just beginning, and while there are challenges to navigate, the destination looks incredibly promising. It's a future where technology works for people, making us not less human, but more so.